Welcome to Study with Flow. In today's video, we are going to learn about feature scaling. Now, what exactly is this feature scaling? Feature scaling is a method used to normalize the range of independent variables or features of the data. In many real life data sets, we have many independent variables, and all these independent variables are measured in different units. For example, in my data, I have independent variable as age, I have independent variable as educational qualification, I have independent variable as salary, and so on and so forth. Age is measured in years, educational qualification is measured in degrees, and salary is measured in dollars. Everything is measured in a different unit. The problem arises when we have to make decisions from this data. Over there, as it is having different units, computers would make decisions which will not be appropriate for the scenario. Consider, for example, I have two variables over here. Let's say n1, which is 5 tons, and n2, which is 20 kgs. Now, as human beings, we understand that tons are greater than kg. That is, 1 ton is equals to 100 kilo. But does a computer understand that ton is greater than kg? No, computer only looks at numbers. And what does the computer do? If I write n1 greater than n2, which is the proper answer, computer would say no, it is false. So if we do not scale our independent variables properly, we will end up with erroneous results, which will not at all be good for us. Now, it is important to convert everything into one scale. So, let us convert the tons into kilograms. How do we do that? We just multiply 5 into 100 and we get it into kilograms. Now, let us check this. Now, it is true. So, it is very important for us to apply feature scaling before we start with our machine learning algorithms. Now, there are two types of feature scaling. There is normalization and there is standardization. Now, let us look at normalization. Normalization is a scaling